so ready to eat and have some snacks. Like, it's not even funny. Some friends with me. If you can see, she has her mask on. Got my daughter back there somewhere. Yeah, we about to go in, y'all, so get ready. It's quarantine. We have nowhere to eat, so we're eating in the trunk of the car outside at the restaurant. That's how good Krazy Cup is right now.
I didn't even go while I wasn't looking.
We got a few more snacks coming out, so yeah, it's time to go in.
Oh, good.
Right now I'm eating my hot fries with jalapeno and cheese. This is a really good hood snack. I would do this at home, so I think this was a great idea, Krazy Cup. Go. See it. Ah. I got Cheeto dust on the car. I took a bite already, but I'm gonna take another one. This is so good. It's the elote corn on the cob with the hot Cheeto dust, little cheese on top. All right, so how do you like it so far?
Pretty good. I haven't tried everything yet though.
Yeah, we finna get there for sure.
I'm try the watermelon.
Yeah.
That's good.
Look, now I want to try a piece now.
Pretty good.
So, I give it a thumbs up so far.
Yeah, it's good.
It's definitely some hood snack shit.
But I can make this shit at home.
But that's the thing though. You can make it at home, but you have the convenience of coming here and paying for it. And it's not that bad of a price. Like, all of my food, I got 3 things. I got the mango stick. It's good. I got the corn and the hot fries, the cheese hot fries only for, and my daughter's, what you get? Fruit cup?
And the same.
And another one of these. And it was only like $27. So.
You know it's gonna be like 40 something. It wasn't.
Not that bad.
Still a good price.
Damn.
That was good. I'm gonna have eat your Cheetos.
I can't eat that many. We're gonna try the Oreo churros with some ice cream. Oh shit. Ah, damn, look at me trying to be fancy. Oh well. Oh my.
That's good, right?
Yeah. I never even thought of making this at home. Hold on. Get some.
We don't need to.
Come in here, girl. Name that group.
Right.
I gotta come back to that.
Right. It's so good.
Okay. Look at this. So what is this? What's in here?
So this is agua de piña, and it has like tahini on the top with chamoy, and then they put like watermelon on top. I don't know what that is, and that's agua. Jordan, what is this? Agua de piña, and she put an orange in it with pineapples.
That looks good. Okay, Krazy Cup. Mango time.
And watermelon.
And watermelon.
Watermelon, yeah.
And they gave a mango candy. You like it? The mango is very sweet. It's mango season, so yeah, the chamoy, the tahini, just dipping it in there.
She putting it all in there.
Yes, you see it.
Is the watermelon good?
Perfect hot day in LA for some hood snacks.
Oh my God, these are good. You got a napkin? Because I'm looking for that at the store.
I threw it away. I am very happy, very pleased with what I had today.
My plain Jane. Watermelon.
It's some fashion.
All right, so we've come to the end of Hood Snacks right now. Hella full. I haven't even finished everything yet, but
You still got the Oreos, man.
I'm full, and I give all the thumbs up to Krazy Cup. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next Hood Snacks with Ricci.